Now, why does this scar endometriosis happen? Okay, so the most obvious theory is that when you are doing a surgery, for example, you're doing a cesarean section, what happens is you deliver the baby, you deliver the placenta. You sometimes we clean the endometrial cavity. Those of you who've done cesareans would know many people have this practice of putting a sponge on a stick or on a sponge holder and cleaning the uterine cavity and then taking that sponge holder with the gauze on top outside. Now, when you are removing the placenta, when you are removing this cleaning with a mop or a sponge mounted, you're cleaning the inside of the uterine cavity and coming out. What can happen is that there is some endometrial tissue, okay, which and this will be very, it may not even be macroscopic, it's microscopic. It somehow gets onto the edge of the wound, okay, and it could be at any level, right from the skin to subcutaneous tissue to even deeper down in the rectus sheath. It can be in any level, okay, of wound closure, and it starts getting vascularity from there and it starts growing as an endometriotic nodule. So this is the most accepted theory, that the transport theory. So the transport theory, which explains that iatrogenic implantation. Iatrogenic means we are doing it. It's because of our surgery that this has happened. Implantation of hormone sensitive endometrial tissue to the edge of the wound during the abdominal or pelvic surgery, followed by hormone mediated changes in those implanted endometrium. Right. Another hypothesis is that there is some so endometriosis is also attributed to be a chronic inflammatory condition. Right. So there's diminished NK cell immunity. Normally, what happens if some ectopic endometrium gets deposited somewhere, the body will take care. The fact that that endometrial gland is able to grow, that it's able to get vascularization, is because of a diminished natural killer cell immunity. And this is another theory. But the transport theory remains. Transport theory may basically वो clear नहीं हो पा रहा है and it's just lodged there and starts growing. So this is why